I don't get it. Derek and Odette are going to spend the whole summer helping people?
Papa says that's what being a real prince is all about.
Sheesh. What a hippie.
Oh, I'm gonna miss them. So, what's first? Build a fort, play tag?
Not tag.
Oh, I'm sorry, Elise, but General Puffin has a castle to guard.
Ow!
As you were.
I wish.
Whoa! Bad cannon. Ta-da!
Well done, Bridget. Now we've got everything we need for Sailor Boot Camp.
Sailor Boot Camp!
Elise will be the perfect student. And to think I've got her to myself all summer. I can't wait to begin. But before Elise arrives, a quick review of my sailor proverbs. To find a new world or your way home, a sailor must know the stars by heart.
Stars by heart!
A sailor must also know his ropes. You may break your ship on a reef if you raise the lug sail when you mean to raise the mainsail. Ha ha! Know your ropes.
Know your ropes!
To avoid becoming a castaway, never tie a knot insufficient to the task. Ha ha! Let Sailor Boot Camp begin.
Let Sailor Boot Camp begin!
Parrots are optional.
Parrots are... Hey!
You may call for Elise.
Elise! Will you come to my chamber, please?
What is she up to? Princess Boot Camp? No, Elise! It's a trap!
I'm afraid Elise will have to miss your life on a poop deck lecture series.
Sailor Boot Camp! How did you know? She-devil! Thief!
Says the man who wants to turn my granddaughter into a pirate.
A pirate? Me?
Let Princess Boot Camp begin.
A pirate, she calls me.
Pirate, she calls me!
Do you ever say anything original?
Do you ever say...
Oh, Chamberlain! No! Chamberlain, wait!
I'm sorry, Queen's orders.
Chamberlain! I demand that you open this door! You better!
Elise, darling. No.
Huh? I thought you said pinky out.
Out, yes. Straight as a dagger. Oh, no. Yes.
I think my pinky doesn't want me to be a princess.
It must learn to do its duty, like every other bone in your body.
Grandmom, I was kind of thinking about going swimming today.
No, dear. No swimming, no leaving my wing of the castle until you've been properly trained.
Oh.
Today, after pinky positioning, it's on to proper curtsy technique.
Hi, guys.
Coming for a dip?
Yeah, in 6 weeks, maybe.
6 weeks? How many curtsies can a girl do?
Millions, I guess.
Then it's proper vowel pronunciation, followed by posture training.
What's next? Chinese water torture?
Joe, out!
Incoming!
Sometimes she gives us royals a bad name.